successfully since kindergarten, but I'm going to show you what I mean. And this is evaluating expressions, and it will always tell you what the letters or the variables, and they're called variables because they vary. It could be an A, it could be an X, it could be an N, and all different problems, and they're still variables. But within that set of problems, A is always going to be one number, N will always be another, and B would be another. So if A equals 2, and B equals 3, and N equals 6. Okay, it's important to know that. So let's say the problem is N plus 11. Well, I look to see what N is, and that's 6, and I just plug it in. And my answer is 17. You might be thinking, well, how's that pre-algebra? That's so easy. It gets harder. So let's start here. 4b minus 11. Now, don't forget, I told you when a number is next to a letter or a number is in parentheses next to it and there's no like addition, subtraction, it's always going to be multiplication. So it's really 4 times b, but they don't write the times sign. Kissing these two things together, it's times. So if b is 3, it's 4 times 3 minus 11. You always have to use the order of operations. So 4 times 3 is 12 minus 11. The answer is 1. The next one, 3n minus 7. So we're going to plug in 6, so it's going to be 3 times 6 minus 7. And 3 times 6 is 18 minus 7, and the answer is also 11. So now I'm going to put some harder ones on. If you're able to do this on your own, you may. Okay. 25 minus 2n. 25 minus 2n. And the answer is 13. Ten times 6, this is just another fancy way of multiplying, minus 7n. So I'm going to write 10 times 6 minus 7 times 6. And it's 60 minus 42. And the answer is 18. I'm going to do one on the board, and I'll solve it silently. I'd like you to try it with your paper and pencil. (36 minus n to the second power plus b to the second power. So if you did not see my exponent video, you better hop to it. The answer is 9. If you messed up here, it's not 6 times 2. 6 to the second power is 6 times